Everyone ready? Okay.
Hello and welcome to the Superbook Quiz. We are here with another set of really super smart kids.
My name is Jason. I study in grade 2. My hobby is singing.
Hello, my name is Hosanna and I study in 7th. And my hobby is to play piano and to sing gospel songs. Hi, my name is Anvi Thakur and my hobby is to dance and I like to play Ludo.
Alright, so we're going to begin our quiz. We have 3 rounds with us. The first round is a true and false. The second round is a question and answer. And the third is a rapid fire. So here's how it's going to go. I'm going to ask a question and you have to raise your hands. Whoever raises their hands first gets an opportunity to answer the question. If you answer incorrectly or you take a long time to answer, we are going to pass it on to the next person. Are you ready to play? Our question and answer round today is from Noah and the floods. Alright, so are we ready to play our first round?
Yes.
Alright. Our first question. The raven came back to the boat after Noah sent it out after the flood. True or false? Anvi?
True.
That is incorrect. The answer is false. The raven did not come back. Our second question. In the end, Chris decided to join the skateboard maniac. True or false? Okay, Jason, you get to get this answer.
Ma'am, answer is false.
Correct. Alright, our third question. God promised He will never destroy the earth through a flood again. Jason?
Ma'am, true.
Correct. The last question for this round. Noah sent the dove twice after the flood. Anvi?
False.
No, that is incorrect. The answer is true. Noah sent the dove twice after the flood. And this is the end of our first round, and our scores are Alright, so here we begin our second round. Each question has 1 point each. The first question. What is an ark? What? Hosanna?
An ark is a big ship.
Yes, that is true. It's a big boat. Boat or ship. Correct. Second question. Who said to whom? Okay, किसने किससे कहा? God does not abandon those who try to live for Him. Hosanna?
The Noah said it to Chris.
Correct. And our third question. Why did God ask Noah to build an ark? Anvi?
God said to Noah to build an ark because he was about to flood the whole earth with water and he wanted to save Noah because he obeyed God.
Correct. Very good answer. Now our last question. Okay, last question for this round. Who all entered the ark?
Noah, Noah's wife, Noah's son and Noah's son's wife and all the animals and Chris and Joy and his boat.
Correct. That is the correct answer. And this is the end of our second round, and the scores are you are doing very well, all of you. Now, this is our rapid fire round. I am going to ask each of you individually questions. Okay, so I will be starting with Hosanna. So as soon as I ask a question, you have 5 seconds to answer the question. And if you don't answer within 5 seconds, we'll skip and go to the next question. So As many answers as you get, that many points you will receive. Alright, Hosanna, are you ready? So, your first question. What was the name of the mountain on which the boat came to rest?
Ararat.
Correct. How many days and nights did it rain?
40 days and 40 nights.
Correct. Which animal fell out from the ark in the water after the flood started?
Penguin.
Correct. Good job. All 3 answers you got right. Our next round we are going to play with Jason. Jason, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here's your first question. Same thing. 5 seconds you have to answer one question. If you don't, we'll skip to the next one. Okay. So your first question is, what is the sign of the covenant of God?
Ma'am, rainbow.
Correct. What did the dove bring back the second time Noah sent out after the flood?
Ma'am, small branch.
Correct. A small branch. And your third question, why were Chris, Joy and Gizmo hiding in the beginning of the story?
Ma'am, because people was killing them.
Yeah,
Try
correct.
to believe them.
Correct. You've got all 3 answers. Good job, Jason. And our last question, last round is for Anvi. Anvi, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Your first question is, which was the first bird Noah sent out from the boat after the rain?
A raven.
Correct. After how long did the boat come to rest on the mountain?
5 months.
Correct. And your last question, in the beginning of the story, what did God decide to do?
He wanted to destroy the whole earth.
Destroy the whole earth. Correct. Good job. All of you got your answers correct. And our final scores for this round is... So our final scores, you ready? Our winner for this quiz today is Hosanna. Congratulations, Hosanna. For winning this game, you win an e-comic triple set superbook of the First Christmas Giant Adventure and Easter comic. Well, Jason and Anvi, you get a participation certificate along with the Giant Adventure comic book. Thank you guys so much for coming, and thank you for joining us in this time of quiz. And Superbook fans, if you enjoyed this video and you like this video, please make sure you share, comment, and make sure you share this Superbook India Facebook page with your friends as well. If you would like to participate in our next quiz, make sure you send us a message and we will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.